Hello everyone, Allison here from the Protocase team. Today I'm going to show you how to create fillets in Protocase Designer. Protocase Designer is our template-based CAD software that's completely free to use. Using Protocase Designer, you can design, quote, and order custom enclosures, parts, and panels. Protocase Designer is easy to use. We've designed it in a way that you can pick it up and begin your design in minutes, even if you don't have CAD experience. For this reason, it's awesome for electrical engineers, prototyping teams, or even production teams. Protocase Designer offers a few different ways to create fillets, which I'm going to go over today. But first, what is a fillet? A fillet is simply a rounded corner on a feature of your design. When you're creating a square or rectangular cutout in Protocase Designer, by default the corners are going to convene at a right angle. Fillets are commonly used when creating vent cutouts, mostly as a style choice, but you may also require them to fit a certain component that you're using in your design. There are a few different ways to create fillets in Protocase Designer. The first method, which we recommend, is to use the corner radius dialog box. So this first method is located within the face editor, so I'm going to click on Edit Face and go to the face editor. You're going to create a rectangular cutout and then change the corner radius to whatever size you require. And so here you can see that all of the corners are now rounded to that corner radius. When you set the corner radius using this method, it's going to change the shape of all corners of the cutout. But what if you want to have one cutout with different corner radii for different corners? That's also possible. To do that, place your original cutout where you wish it to be. Then copy it as many times as you need, once for each corner you wish to adjust. Now set the corner radius of the copied cutouts to what you need. Select the Move Item tool, and then click on your original cutout, and then shift-click on your cutout with the adjusted corner radius. Then you need to align by center horizontally and vertically. So now, with all your cutouts selected, click on the Trim tool and trim away any excess lines until you have your desired shape. One tip, you should zoom in as much as possible to make sure you only remove the actual line you want trimmed out. Repeat as many times as necessary until your cutout is complete. This is going to give you a lot of control over the design of your cutout. So, to sum up, if you require a fillet with all four corners having the same rounded angle, use the corner radius dialog box. But if you require a fillet with different corners having different corner radii, we recommend using a combination of the corner radius dialog box with the trim tool. We've got links below to other Protocase Designer focused Proto Tech tips, as well as a link to download Protocase Designer for free. If you've got ideas for other Proto Tech tips we should cover, comment below. Thanks very much for watching this week's Proto Tech tip. We'll see you back here next week.